STARS Accounting allows you to fully automate all aspects of hedge accounting under IAS 39, IFRS 7, FAS 133, and SECA 3865. This saves time, expenses, and regulatory headaches, while giving you greater control over your entire derivatives process. A hedge accounting system must be able to perform 4 major tasks: hedge documentation, hedge designation and de-designation, journal entry generation, and hedge effectiveness testing. STARS Accounting is one of a very few systems that can handle all 4 of these. Hedge documentation consists of stating the relevant details of a hedge, its purpose, what types of items will be hedged, how the hedge will be tested for effectiveness, and so on. Each hedge relationship, say between each note and its corresponding swap, requires documentation specific to that hedge relationship. STARS Accounting lets you easily create a document template for each type of hedge you will maintain, and the documentation is then automatically created from the template based on the stored details of the hedge item and the derivative. In much the same way that a word processor contains a mail merge feature, STARS lets you create documents out of stored paragraphs and insert fields which correspond to database information which will be inserted in the document when the document is printed. Once the template has been created, it can be used over and over again for all relationships which are of this type. Printing the document simply consists of opening the appropriate template and choosing to print the relationship that is needed. Notice how the document automatically includes the data from the database where we had the merge fields in the template. Hedge designation can be performed with just pointing and clicking. The user gives the relationship a name and then specifies what type of relationship it is. Relationship types are given their own names and are used to determine how effectiveness testing is to be done, what document template is to be used, and more. The effectiveness testing can be regression or dollar offset, and the user can select criteria such as minimum R-squared, t-test, how often to test, the minimum number of data points to use, and anything else which defines testing criteria. Separate criteria can be stored for prospective and retrospective tests. Hedge designation can be one-to-one or many-to-many. Full or partial pieces of an item can be part of a hedge relationship, and hedges can consist of components of a trade, such as the cap only. Hedge de-designation is particularly simple. You tell STARS which relationship to de-designate, a de-designation date, and a reason for the de-designation. Journal entries are automatically created by specifying a start and end date and telling the system to load the entries. Line items are all displayed separately for all accounts with reference information. The user can also ask for the line items to be aggregated by account for each date for simpler loading into the general ledger system. This feature alone can save many hours of work on each accounting statement date. Hedge effectiveness testing is performed inside a dedicated report which operates on all the user's hedge relationships or just a subset of them. In this example, we'll look at the hedge effectiveness of a single hedge relationship. The report displays the results of all relevant effectiveness tests and also displays the value of the hedge item and the derivative for each time period for verification purposes. STARS Accounting provides numerous utilities to assist in the production process, like the ability to load data from external systems, the ability to do ad hoc, retrospective, and prospective pricing, and a full set of reconciliation reports. This makes STARS Accounting the most complete, flexible, and automated hedge accounting solution on the market.